Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. And in the last class, we knew about how axioms, postulates are used while proving a theorem, isn't it? And also, I told that try the exercise problems yourself. You remember? I hope all of you tried to solve those problems, and some of you succeeded also. Good. Now let me look on to those problems. Okay? Yes, here is your exercise 2.1. In that first main is, yes, it came here. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answers. Here, in this main, they had given some statements, and you have to say whether those statements are correct or not. And also, you have to reason it out, like how it will be true or false. Okay? Yes, here is our first statement. Only one line can pass through a single point. Here, they told that only one line can pass through a single point. Do you agree with this statement, children? Is it true or false? Yes, good. This statement is false. How? How this statement is false? Yes, infinite number of lines can be drawn through a single point. You know that, isn't it? Through a single points, we can draw infinite number of lines like this. Here is a point P, no? This is a single point, one point. From this single point, we can draw many lines, isn't it? So the statement given is false. Infinite number of lines can be drawn through a single point. Okay, children, you understood? Okay, shall we move on to the next statement? Yes, here it is. There are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Yes, here they given two distinct points, isn't it? And they told that there can be infinite number of lines which can pass through two distinct points. And I think this statement is also false, isn't it? Yes, this statement is also false because according to postulate 1, you know that according to postulate 1, there will be only one line can be drawn through two distinct points, isn't it? There is a unique line and that passes through two distinct points here. A and B are the two distinct points, no? And here is only one line AB which passes through A also pass through the point B, no? And also through B, the line BA is the only one line which passes through B or passes through B also pass through A, no? So according to postulate 1, you know that there is a unique line that passes through two distinct points. So the given statement is false. Okay, you understood, children? Shall we move on to the next statement? Okay, here it is. The third statement. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. Yes, children, a terminated line. Yes, the terminated line means a terminated line means a line segment nowadays is what? Euclid called a terminated line. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆದ್ರು. ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ two points, we called it as a line segment. The same line segment Euclid called it as a terminated line. Okay, and you know that a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides, isn't it? Yes, this statement is true, isn't it? And which postulate it says that a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides? Yes, postulate number 2. It states that a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. You remember, children? Here A, B are the AB is the line segment, means it is a terminated line. Here the points A and B are the terminated points, and this line segment is, if we produced indefinitely, it will be produced, isn't it? So this statement is true. I hope you understood, and also you agree with this statement. Okay, shall we move on to our next statement? Yes, here it is. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Yes, here in this statement, they given two circles, isn't it? And they are also equal. And you have to prove that if those two circles are equal, then their radii are also equal. Okay, first we will check whether this statement is true or false. Yes, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, then let me check how it is true. Two circles are equal means that region bounded by the circle is same, isn't it? Means its area must be equal. Here, in the statement itself, they given that two circles are equal, means that the regions bounded by the circle is same, means its area must be equal. So let me take their areas will be equal. Okay, let the radius of the first circle be R1 and radius of the second circle be R2. Since two circles are equal, they given that its area are also equal. So area of circle 1 is equal to area of circle 2 according to axiom 4. Isn't it? Axiom 4, what it says, it states that things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. If two circles are equal means what? They are identical, no? So they will be coincide with one another. So according to axiom 4, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Here I am taking area of circle 1 is equal to area of circle 2 according to axiom 4. And you know the formula to find out the area of the circle. Yes, it is pi r square. So area of a circle 1b pi r1 square because radius is different, no? And area of the circle 2b pi r2 square. Here pi and pi gets cancelled and it remains r1 square is equal to r2 square. This implies that R1 is equal to R2. R1 and R2 are the radii of the different circles, isn't it? So we can say that radius of two circles are equal. In the statement, they given that if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Here, we took two circles are equal, and then we proved that their radii are also equal. Isn't it, children? You agree with this? You understood? Yes, good. Let me move on to my next statement. What is that? Yes, in the figure, if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. Yes, in the figure, here it is. Here AB is a line segment and that is equal to the line segment PQ. They given that. And also this PQ is equal to the line segment XY. ಎಸ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಹುದು ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ್ದದು? ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. Yes, good. What it states? Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, isn't it? Yes, here also the line segment AB is equal to PQ and that PQ is equal to XY. So these two are the two line segments which are equal to the same line segment PQ, isn't it? Okay, let me prove now. Here AB, this statement is true, no? Yes, this statement is true. So according to axiom 1, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. And here they given that AB is equal to PQ, isn't it? And also they given that the line PQ, line segment PQ is equal to XY, the line segment XY. Since they are given, let take this statement as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Compare equation number 1 and 2. Can we say AB is equal to XY? Why? Yes, PQ is same here. Common to both the line segment, isn't it? And the line segment AB and XY, these two things are equal to the same line segment. According to axiom 1, these two are AB and XY are also equal. So, we can say that from 1 and 2, AB is equal to XY. Yes, this is what we have to prove, isn't it? You understood, children? Yes. These all are some problems in first main of your exercise. I solved. And now I wind up your class, and the rest problems we will going to complete in the next video class. Okay, children? Thank you.